All right, are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2022 CR 9439, State of Texas versus Richard Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Sademan.
Defense.
Larry Meadows for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I understood it.
Are you the same Richard Gonzalez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 9439 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on October 20th, 2022 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Richard Gonzalez did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December 2022 and January 2023 in violation of condition number 4. State waives the remaining violation allegation.
With regard to that allegation, number 4, how do you plead, true or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True. Yeah, I just wanted to.
No, my question
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
knowing that I could sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. And you understand that the court does not have to follow any agreement that maybe your attorney has reached with the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
I believe so, Your Honor, to extend supervision for 2 years, alter and amend to end the substance abuse treatment facility, followed by aftercare treatment through Bear County CSCD, TAP outpatient treatment program, monthly UAs, and documented weekly sober support meetings as directed by the court.
All right. What is it done on probation?
I didn't have anything I couldn't be there at the house that I was at. That's why I didn't stay there.
Mhm.
They had kicked me out. I didn't mean to come over here like this. I should have came in person.
No. Why didn't you report to probation? You want to raise your right hand?
Yeah, I
You
really.
solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Richard Gonzalez.
All right, what is up with the ring on his finger? Is that allowed?
This is my rings, the ones that I was in.
I'm sorry, what?
The ones that I had on when I was in brought from custody.
Oh, so they can wear rings at the jail? My understanding that's
I
considered.
didn't. They didn't take it off. I could, you know.
No. I'm just saying that, isn't that considered contraband? He has on 3 rings. One of them
That's kind
appears
of,
to.
they didn't take it off at the intake. I mean, but when you get back, you can probably put it in my property.
All right, one appears to have a diamond in it, but I
It
don't.
does? I
What?
didn't see that.
Your Honor, perhaps they're not able to remove the.
Yeah, this one was, I couldn't get this one off, but probably now they can, because when I came in, it was kind of slow.
Okay, all right. These are just questions I'm curious about.
That's fine.
So
yeah.
why were you not reporting?
I just didn't report because I didn't have a place to go to. I was kind of freaked out on it. You know what I mean?
So did you think of taking the via bus to probation?
No, Your Honor, I didn't. I just went to the house and they said I couldn't be there. I was from my understanding, the last time when you had spoke to me about the probation, did you put her on a restraining order so that way I could probate there? Because
No.
I got a new address I could report.
No, there
to.
was not supposed to be any contact. And what is the plastic in your,
Oh,
you
it's-
just coming over here with all sorts of
No,
things.
I didn't see it in there. I just threw on my.
No, what's in your pocket?
This is from the soup, and then this is from my mom's address.
So he's bringing soup from the
No, I'm
jail
not
and
bringing soup.
greens?
No, I didn't. I just threw on my.
Just add water. Okay.
Just that one. No, yeah.
All right. So what is with the 36 on your face?
That was just back in the day, back when I was in high school. I promise you on that.
Mhm.
I've been to myself. I don't.
And the dollar signs around your wrists?
That keeps me motivated to do my probation.
All right, just a second. All right, so obviously people don't understand. We are on the record. So if you cannot whisper, then you need to stop talking or talk outside. I don't understand why people talk so loud when they're in the gallery and then when they're before me, I'm straining to hear you. All right. So what's up with the dollar signs on your wrist?
I got these tattoos years back, like before '99, and I haven't not got any other tattoos since. I've been basically, I worked, I've had probation before I completed it before in the other court.
But not here.
This one I was just, I was kind of shocked on it, but I mean,
What do you mean shocked on it?
well, because I was picked up on how I was picked up, but I mean, I wasn't, like, I didn't get to come report because I just didn't show up. I just didn't, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie to you, sir. I mean, Honor.
Oh, I appreciate.
I have
I
a
appreciate
new
the honesty.
address I could probably maybe if you grant it to go to. I talked to my mom on that. She said that she's willing to go ahead with it if you're willing to, if your judgment would apply. You know what I mean?
All right. I don't think you're a good candidate for probation.
Okay.
I tried. All right, we're gonna send it. I'm gonna file.
Do I get credited for my back time?
Just let me
Yes,
finish.
ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court is gonna revoke. The court is gonna sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. You're entitled to any credit for any time previously served.
Courtroom dress code, not just tradition, but strategy. Trust me, the way you dress in court can whisper respect or scream trouble.
There's to be restitution of $57 to SAPD for lab testing. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yeah.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, that jewelry on your fingers, I don't know what happened at the jail, but you're not supposed to have that on your fingers unless it's attached. The bringing over of food from the jail,
Yeah.
they shouldn't have allowed you to bring that over. We're not here for you to have a meal in court.
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't
even
know
when
what it
you're-
was in there.
Here's the thing, even when you're held in the back, you're not allowed to get hot water and make your own soup dish. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're gonna have to start doing better. How old are you?
43.
You're 43. You're close to having the majority of your life behind you. If you don't want to wake up and see that you spent a majority of your life in prison, you better change your ways. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. So I get credited for my back time?
You get credit for any time that you've been in jail.
Okay.
Legally, you're entitled to it.
Okay, thank you. God bless you, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right, thank
All
you.
right.
Gonzalez.
Just one moment. Good Lord, it was green. The entire. Rufilio Rodriguez. Court is calling 2024 CR 2912, State of Texas versus Rufilio Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense,
Monica Guerrero for Mr. Rodriguez, Your Honor.
and this is an application probation.
It is, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
I have, Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense, assault causing bodily injury, a class A misdemeanor.
No objection.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both questions.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
What's that, ma'am?
The plea bargain page, what your agreement is with the state, did you
Yes.
review that with your attorney?
Ma'am.
And did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor, family violence. Punishments be assessed at 1 year in the Bear County Jail. The state recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence in parenting classes. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be no harmful or injurious contact with the complaining witness. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states 1 and attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Right, did you review the document waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
The revolving door of prosecutors, 1 minute they're here, next they're gone. But should trial schedules suffer just because someone got promoted?
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. So,
Judge, it was a plea bargain for 1/2.
oh, 1/2, because I have the document he signed was for deferred or community supervision, but I see your plea is 1/2.
Correct.
So this is what I want to ask. Number one, what's the result of the CPS case?
The child is with him. This is his biological grandchild. It's an incident from 2020. She was continually running away and there was a little bit of perceived excessive discipline on her behalf. His wife is also charged. They're going to be dismissing that case.
Okay,
But the child is living with him. And I don't believe the biological parents are involved.
all right, so how long since this incident has the child been living with him?
She was 6 years old when we first got her.
No, I mean since this incident,
Something to think about.
since this assault.
The same, that was 22, right after that, a couple of months, they brought her back,
So she was only out of the house for a little bit.
yes.
All right, so is the CPS case closed?
Yes.
State CPS case closed?
That's my understanding as well, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, and so she is living with them?
Yes, Your
She
Honor.
is 16 now.
She's 16. Okay,
She's going to school, so that's what mattered to me, going to school.
just one moment. All right. Mr. Rodriguez,
Yes.
the court is inclined to offer you a deferred adjudication. Off the record, I've been told that your criminal history is almost non-existent, really. But if I offer you deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, I want you to know that I could sentence, I know I've told you this before, but I want you to know that I could sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Your agreement with the state is for a conviction.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you wish to have the conviction or deferred?
No.
Deferred or the conviction?
Deferred.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to an affirmative finding of family violence. I'm going to ask for parenting classes, but probation, if parenting classes have been previously completed under CPS, that will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to ask for field visits one time for 3 months. And probation, if you'll make sure they have a chance to check on the teenagers in the household and talk to them separately to see that everything is okay. And then it will be at probation's discretion. There should be no harmful or injurious contact with Star Rodriguez. And off the record, both parties told me that this is a case that occurred in
2020, Judge.
2020. And of course, it's only recently come to this court. So it occurred in 2020. It was indicted in 2024. My understanding from both parties is that Child Protective Services closed this case. And in order to close the case, Mr. Rodriguez had to complete parenting classes. From reading the state stipulation, it appears that the child's mother, who was released from prison, was allowed to see her child. And then after she saw her child, that's when issues would arise. Am I correct
That
in
is
my
accurate.
rendition?
That is accurate.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 6 months deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and there's to be regular random UAs, 80 hours of community service restitution. And if it's shown that he's completed parenting classes, then that would be deemed satisfied. Are you employed or retired?
Retirement.
All right. From what? What were you doing?
Northside School District.
Okay. All right, probation. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
I was asking probation, but I appreciate you for saying there's nothing. Is there anything else you want me to add to his conditions?
I was gonna ask if you could lower the probation fees. Because he's on a fixed income, him and his wife, they just live off of Social Security and a small retirement.
All right, so what will he need to do legally? He'll have to speak with probation about that. And if he does an affidavit of indigency, then the court could work with that.
Okay.
All right. Did you review, is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
And did you sign it?
yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there anything else from either side?
No.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Just remain in the courtroom. Probation will go over conditions with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can I see the file on Lucy Rodriguez?
What's that?
Could sit here in my first bench or whatever.